Hey guys, welcome to this Apple AirTag tutorial, and here I'll detail how to find Apple AirTag with your Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch as well as an Apple AirTag, then you can find the Apple AirTag with your Apple Watch so that your Apple Watch will be able to track the location of your Apple AirTag. So if you have your Apple AirTag attached to your key or your bicycle or your backpack, now you are far away from your iPhone, but you have your Apple Watch very close by, then you can use your Apple Watch to find the location of your Apple AirTag. So if you hadn't of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to find the location of your Apple AirTag using your Apple Watch is unlock your Apple Watch. If you are using a passcode, then after that click on the digital crown. Once you click on the digital crown, just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling until you get to the items, then go ahead and click on the items icon. Then once you selected, you should see your Apple AirTag. Here you can see I have my Apple AirTag attached to my keys. Then go ahead and click on it. Then once you tap it, just scroll down. Then you're gonna see the current location on the maps, and if it is not on the maps, all you just need to do is scroll down and then click on play sound. Then once you tap play sound, you can see connecting and start playing sound. Now my Apple Watch is playing sound on my Apple AirTag, and right now I can hear my AirTag beeping. So I can now use my Apple Watch to trace my Apple AirTag to wherever it is. So all I just want to do now to wherever it is. Now once you can find it, while on this page, just scroll down, tap notify when found, then turn this on. Then once you can find your Apple AirTag, you'll be notified that you have found the Apple AirTag. So that is basically how to find Apple AirTag with Apple Watch. So if you found this helpful informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.